In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check to see if your computer can support the new Windows 11 update when they do finally roll it out. So here's how you can check. So I'm going to leave a link in the description which is going to take you to this web page here. Now this is the official Windows 11 web page from Microsoft, and you can scroll down and you can see what's happening in Windows 11, what's going to be new, and if you keep on going and you keep on scrolling down, you'll see minimum system requirements. Now you can either check these manually or you can use a program which will check your computer for you. Now Microsoft do have a tool which allows you to check on this page, but you can see here it's coming soon. So all of us, we won't be able to use this tool because it's not available yet. So what we can do is we can use a third-party tool, which I'll also leave a link to in the description below. So this is going to tell us basically if our computer can run Windows 11. So what you want to do, I'll leave the second link to this page here, as well as a link to this page. I'll leave them both in the description below. When you get to this page, you want to scroll down and you want to go to download, and you want to then download the latest stable release. After you've done that, it will load up a little exe file here, which we can go ahead and run. And you can see all of the source code for this here. It's a GitHub project. You can see all of the source code, but just scan it with your antivirus. It's not a virus, I can guarantee that. But anyway, once you've got it downloaded, you don't have to install it or anything. It will just open up a page like this. Now you can see here that everything for me is green, except from my CPU compatibility, which for some reason it's not listed as compatible in this software here. Now what I could do is I could manually check my CPU myself and just see here if it's compatible based on the requirements that Microsoft put on their website. So we're all clear for everything else. I'll just check manually my CPU. So I'm just going to go to start and I'll type in system information. And here we'll just find my processor. So you can see I've got an i7 2.80 gigahertz 4-core processor. And then if I go back to Microsoft here, you can see for processor, we need at least 1 gigahertz, so mine is 2, and it needs to be more than 2 cores, and mine is 4. So it should work. I'm not sure why the program here is saying that it's not compatible. So that's how you can check to see if your computer will run Windows 11. If that helped you out, please do leave a like and comment down below.